Mario, once again, October 5th, 2025. What you're viewing in this video is some of the helicopters that I've been revamping or bringing them up to today's standards. You see that's a Blade 120, old Blade 120 that's got my own blades there. Those are 3D printed blades. And while I'm on the subject of blades, these are blades done in black for the Hirobo SRB Quark. I was using wooden blades before, as I was doing on my original two-legged helicopter. You can see these are wooden blades. It's got a little open area right here. You can see the wood. This is just basswood that I was machining using a custom tool to machine the airfoil on the blade. And so I used to do a lot of these blades, but the problem with those is that you had to weigh them, you had to balance them, and there was quite a bit of process. With 3D printed blades, you don't have to do that because the density of the plastic is pretty much even on both blades. So you just mount them and you just go. So those are the wooden blades. These are the straight blades that belong on this particular one here. This is the remake of that one in 3D print form, basically reverse engineer my own design there. And I have a couple bumblebee frames somewhere around there. The Robin 280, more up to date, that I did in later years. We're talking about 15, 20 years ago that these helicopters were done. And so I wanted to mention that the new technology, all of these new helicopters, and you can see I even have that one that I bought. All these helicopters are basically a revamp of all designs with modern technology. And what I mean by modern technology is they employ, instead of employing one-axis gyros as some of these helicopters employ, that employs a one-axis gyro on the table basically, and some mixing for between the main and the tail rotor. Same thing here with this Hirobo Quark, and same thing with my original ones that I did back in the day. But today, because of technology has gotten so up there in higher resolution in terms of frequency, sampling rates, and if you understand that, resolution is higher, and you can have a much better stability with some of these devices that are employed on these 6-axis gyro control systems. So basically, all technology, all helicopters that were done in the past are being brought back, with new technology, and just the way the world recycles itself. Some of the blades, like I was saying,